Hey, let me tell you about a battery upgrade that is made real difference in my workflow. The DEWALT 18 volt XR 5 amp hour lithium ion battery. First thing you need to know, this is compatible with all DEWALT 18 volt XR lithium ion tools. That means efficiency, versatility, and fast applications across your entire DEWALT toolkit. I use it across my impact driver, oscillating multi-tool, and other cordless tools. One battery system for everything. Here is the game changer: 5 amp hour lithium ion battery technology offers seriously extended runtime. We are talking about 66% more runtime than a standard 3 amp hour battery pack. That is the difference between finishing a job and having to stop to recharge. The LED state of charge indicator is genuinely useful. You can see at a glance how much power you have got left. Helps you manage your pack charging so you are not cut out mid project. Now here is what impressed me: lightweight design. You are getting upgraded 5 amp power without increasing the size or weight over the 18 volt 3 amp hour battery pack. More runtime, same form factor. That matters when you are working overhead or for extended period. The lithium ion technology means no memory effect and visually no self-discharge. What that means in practice: maximum productivity and less downtime. The battery holds each charge when stored, and you don't have to worry about conditioning cycles like old battery tech. Whether you are doing serious DIY projects or professional work, having that extended runtime without the extra bulk makes a noticeable difference. For anyone serious about their DEWALT 18 volt XR2 kit, this 5Ah battery is worth the upgrade. This product deserves your attention. Thank you.